Hey guys, thank you for watching. So for this video, I want to make some tacos, but they're not gonna be Mexican tacos like I should be making. They're gonna be keto tacos. Okay, so I just call them keto tacos. I'm gonna use cheese for the tortilla, and then the meat is just gonna be like some Taco Bell mix. I got the recipe for the meat and the Meal Lime app that I made a review on, and so if you need help with that, go check it out. All right, so let me show you the ingredients real quick. Alright, for the meat, I have some about a pound of ground beef right here, and I'm gonna put some garlic in that, cook it with that, and then some chili powder, ground cumin, salt, and some pepper. Right, so that's gonna be the meat. For the tortilla, I'm just gonna use some of this Mexican blend cheese, and then that's the tricky part. So that's probably the part you need to pay most attention to, and I'll explain it step by step because it took me a while to get it perfect. And then once all that's cooked, then I got the tortillas all done. We're gonna top it with some salsa, some guacamole, and I'm gonna shred this cabbage up so we can put it in there. And that's it. It's gonna be real simple, but it's really filling. Oh, and I'm also gonna cut up this onion so we can use it as topping. Okay guys, so I'm gonna walk you through the process of making these tortillas with the cheese. This is gonna stay in a real time just so you can see how long it takes for the cheese to melt and get hard. And so first I use this thin shredded cheese because when I use the thicker one, the holes in between become bigger and they're harder to fill, and I'll show you what I'm talking about in a second. So I use a really thin shaved one. So I just add a little bit, less than a handful. It's probably less than a quarter of a cup. And so I put it on the warm, kind of low medium heat for this much, and then I use the spatulas to get the corners. Now this first one is always kind of harder because you put the cheese in there with no oil, but after the first one the oil is gonna be left in the pan, so it's a lot easier to remove. So you can see how I'm pulling on it and it's breaking a little bit. On the next ones you won't have that problem. So that this first one's gonna be kind of tough, but it's okay. You can either just add oil to the pan before or just try to make this one work. So you turn it over, and then I squeeze it down with the spatula, and doing that covers any of the holes that are left from the shredded cheese. And so this is one of the tricks that I learned that makes it a lot closer to a tortilla or a hard shell taco than if you don't do it. If you don't do it, you're gonna have a bunch of holes and it's gonna be like a mash. You'll notice that I have a wooden spoon on the top of a pot. That's so that when I pull this tortilla off, I can just hang it from it, and it'll give it that shape. And this next one's gonna go on full speed, just so you can see the process. I'll pull while I'm cooking the second one. I'll pull the first one from the spoon, and then now it's free so that I can put this other one. It doesn't take too long to cool off, so once you get the process down, it'll go real fast. Tacos are really easy to make. Just get some meat. Get some lettuce, some sauce, and then some onions. I like onions.
Onions.
These onions are raw, so for some people it might be too strong, but I like it. A little bit of guacamole. This is actually too much right here, so just you can pick your favorites and just add them on there. No, I'd rather no. My head is cut off. Okay, so quick taste. Really good. I don't like the salsa.
You don't like salsa?
I don't like that salsa. It tastes kind of store-bought. So if you can make your own, it's better. But besides that, lettuce, onion, homemade salsa, it's really good. So it takes a couple times to practice and get it right. But once you do, you can make them real fast, and it's real easy to make. So go ahead and make these. Let me know if you have any questions, comments below. Subscribe to this channel. I need to get it to 1,000. And that's it. Bye-bye. Peace.